blast through tough commercial jobs with the Simpson Aluminum Water Blaster Belt Drive Series. This ALWB 60827 pressure washer is powered by a Honda GX390 engine with low oil shutdown feature and a dependable AAA triplex pump. The Simpson Aluminum Water Blaster delivers 4,200 PSI at 4 gallons per minute of tough cleaning performance. The 50-foot steel-braided monster hose is kink and abrasion resistant and features quick connect fittings and a non-marking polyurethane outer jacket. The ergonomic spray gun and 48-inch insulated grip lance includes 5 corrosion-resistant nozzles. And it's all housed on a lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum frame with 13-inch premium pneumatic tires. The Simpson ALWB 60827 Belt Drive Pressure Washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. Simpson, driven by performance.